In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're updating existing fields or adding new ones, Adobe Acrobat Pro offers robust tools to make this process seamless. So let's dive right in and walk through each step to ensure your PDF forms meet all your editing needs. To get started, you'll first need to open your PDF file within Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once you have your file open, head over to the Tools menu and select Prepare Form. This feature is particularly useful because Acrobat will automatically detect any interactive form fields, highlighting them for you. You'll notice a toolbar with various form tools appears, allowing you to interact with each field on the form. Now let's focus on editing existing fields. Want to move a field? Simply click and drag it to your desired location. Resizing a field is equally straightforward. Just drag the corners or edges to adjust the size to your preference. To rename a field, right-click on it and select Properties, then navigate to the General tab to type in the new name. You can alter the appearance by visiting the Appearance tab within Properties. Here, you can change the border, fill, and text style. If there are options like list or default values you want to modify, you'll find these under the Options tab. Adding new fields is just as simple and can greatly enhance the functionality of your form. In the Prepare Form toolbar, you'll see various field types you can add. These include text fields for names or addresses, checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-down lists, list boxes, buttons for actions like submit or reset, and even date fields with a calendar picker. Placing a field is as easy as clicking anywhere on your PDF page, and you can further adjust the properties of each field as needed. Sometimes you'll find the need to delete a field altogether. To do so, click the field once to select it and then press Delete on your keyboard. Alternatively, right-click on the field and choose Delete from the context menu. It's a quick and efficient way to keep your forms clean and relevant. Finally, once you've finished editing, you'll want to save your hard work. Do this by clicking Close at the top right corner of the toolbar and proceed to save the updated PDF to your preferred location. With these steps, you now have all the tools you need to effectively edit fillable PDF forms in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Thank you for following along, and I hope you're feeling more confident navigating this powerful software tool.